Good day to all employer. How are you? My name is Charlene Tuero. I am 29 years old from the Philippines. I have one lovely daughter. She is 6 years old. And I'm living with my live-in partner, not yet married. I am college undergraduate taking a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration major in Financial Management. I work as a nanny in Malaysia for 2 years. Their ages are 10 years old, 5 years old, and a newborn baby. My major and responsibilities is to make sure that they are safe, they are eating healthy and delicious food. I taught them how to be a good person. I taught them how to write, how to read, how to draw, and even how to sing and dance. While the kids are in the school and the newborn baby is sleeping, I do the household chores such as cleaning the house, doing laundry, ironing, and cooking. Mom, sir, you will never regret to hire me because I am responsible, flexible, honest, trustworthy, caring, and loving nanny. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you and have a nice day.